In this video, I'm going to show you how to check playtime on Roblox. So what you want to do is first go to roblox.com, which is the official website, and mind you, this will only work if you are launching and playing games from the official roblox.com website. So before we do this, you want to make sure that every time you want to play a game, you go inside the certain experience on the Roblox website and launch the game from here by pressing this green play icon. So you can't actually do this within Roblox itself. However, we can get a Chrome extension that will allow us to do this. What you want to do is go to Google inside Chrome and type in RoPro. Press enter and look for the Chrome Web Store link which says RoPro Enhance Your Roblox Experience Chrome Web Store. You want to press this, click on Add to Chrome, and press Add Extension. In a few seconds, the extension will be added. As you can see, it says use this extension by clicking on this icon, and it says it has been added to Chrome. And that's all we needed. You can now close this window and go back to your Roblox website and refresh it. And once you've done that, it will ask you to, before you can see what you've most played and check your playtime on Roblox, you have to verify your RoPro user. How you do it is click Verify RoPro User up here, and then click here where it says verify your Roblox account in game. You want to click it and then simply run up the game and click Open Roblox Game Client. This will open up their kind of server where you can emoji verify your account, and you'll be entered into this game where you have to press Generate Verification Code, and it's going to generate this emoji verification code. What you have to do is simply highlight this and press Ctrl and C on your keyboard so you can copy it. So Ctrl and C, and then you can close this down and then go to the first box of the verification code checkup, and then simply press Ctrl and V or right click and paste, okay? And this will paste in, and as you can see, my account has now been verified, and I can already see my most played games and my playtime over here. And then what you want to do is click up here on the very right to where it says RoPro version 1.5. You want to press it, and then scroll down here to where it says Experience Playtime Tracking. Make sure this is enabled because this will enable you to track your playing experience and to track your playtime on Roblox. Now once you've done this, you can come over here and select if you want to see it for the past 7 days, 30 days, or the past year, or all time, okay? If I click all time, as you can see, I've only played a minute of this verification game on this account, and that's it. So that's how you check your playtime on Roblox, and I hope this video helped you out.